Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to sync LinkedIn with Calendly. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to calendly.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register if you already don't have a profile. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top left corner, we have the create button. We have the event types, schedule events, upgrade plan, and the admin center. And in the top right corner, we have some more things about your profile. But guys, now let's see how you can actually go and sync LinkedIn with Calendly. It is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So basically what you guys need to do is basically the Calendly for LinkedIn messaging integration can be found from the settings menu inside the extension. To get the screen with that, open the Calendly extension from your web browser. So firstly, what you need to do guys is open the Calendly extension from your web browser. Then select the settings button from the drop down menu. And once you did that, once enabled, the Calendly icon will display in your LinkedIn messaging toolbar. And that's basically all you need to do, guys. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it and that you found this video informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Bye guys.